Hi Joy, I'm going to send you this new video with this website so that you have a picture of how your current website is functioning. And I'm sorry about the last one, but hopefully this will be helpful for you. So the three things I'm going to talk with you about are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the home page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So, the keywords you would kind of be looking for you guys that would be really helpful would be kitchen remodeling, Austin, Texas, or best home builders in Austin, top home builders in Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when people type those into Google, your website will come up and they'll be able to click on it, take a look at your projects, and hopefully give you guys a call and become a new customer for you. So that is what I'm seeing here on your page that I would recommend adding is on your home page. It looks like you guys could use some more content, and then the standard rule of thumb that we tell our clients to use is one keyword phrase for every 125 to 150 words on the home page. So if you were to get up to that 1,500 word mark, you'd be looking at anywhere from like 10 to 12 keyword phrases that you'd want to have spread organically throughout the content here on your home page. So that's just a recommendation for you on that. Your website is really beautiful. It's very aesthetically pleasing. And like I told you, I sent you another email telling you how beautiful your work is. I really enjoy seeing the transformations. And so if you have any more before and after pictures that you can add, that's always a great thing because, people really get into those. And, but overall, I mean, your projects are just amazing. So looking at your website, other than that, I see that you have your About page here. And I like how you guys told some, the history of your story, what you guys are really going for here, and your goals. And then, of course, your picture down here is very warm and personable. And you guys look like very nice people that your customers could trust. So that is awesome to have on your About page. So I see that you have a link to Instagram here, and then which is always great too. And then let's see, if we go back, you have your current client portal. So one thing that I would say is if you could add like a service menu up here with the different services that you offer. I know you do these new construction, renovations, and pre-construction planning. But if you could add the service pages up here, just kind of explaining what you do, then you could add the content and keywords into those pages, and those back pages could rank. So those services could rank. So let's say under renovations, you were to do kitchen and bathroom remodeling, for example, then you could have those keywords in there. So if you were to split up these sections into different pages, you'd want to do 500 words per page, and then anywhere from 3 to 4 keyword phrases within that content there. So that's just another way to help you to get more website visits. I hope that was helpful. So the next thing I want to talk with you about is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to just keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. And what that means is that a backlink that's related to your industry, you're going to have a lot more influence and power given back to your site from that type of backlink versus a random one from like a Macy's department store. So when I pulled up your website, I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it just helps to show all the traffic coming into your site and how many backlinks you have and the quality of your backlinks. So it looks like you guys have 47 from 3 different websites pointing back at you. You're ranking for 6 different keywords, and your organic traffic was 0. So let's go ahead and take a look at the keywords that you're ranking for right now. So it looks like you're ranking for your company name, which is great, but a lot of times if people are typing in your company name, they've probably heard about you guys already, so it's not necessarily customers that are just stumbling upon your services and then giving you guys a call. So one thing that I would say here is adding that content on your site with those keywords that have that buyer intent, like I talked about before. That'll really help you to bring new customers in via your website, and not just people who might have heard of you from word of mouth and whatnot. So let's go back. 0 for your organic traffic tells me that you've had no website visits within the last 30 days. So you're missing out on a lot of potential clients because of that, and you have a beautiful site to show off. So you definitely want to have those website visits coming in. That way you can get new customers through the door. So I wanted to show you one of your top competitors in the area. Contractremodeling.com is the site. And then they have 284 backlinks, and as you can see, they've had 47 website visits within the last 30 days. And my guess is that they've converted at least a few of these to customers for them. So just so that you can see how valuable it is to have these keywords and keyword phrases on your site. That way you can pull people in that way. So looks like they have home remodeling, Round Rock, Texas, which is it's been searched 200 times in the last 30 days. So these are just some to think about. Kitchen remodeling has been searched 400 times in the last 30 days. So those keyword phrases are very valuable. And a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power is to go in and get the same backlinks as their competitors have. And then continue to keep adding on more and more, so you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more power to your site. Of course, more traffic will come in, and then new customers will come from that. So also we could use the copycat method here too when we look at keyword phrases and see which ones have the highest search volume and which ones your competitors are ranking for. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are very important because if someone's looking for a service now, most likely what they're going to do is they're going to, didn't expect that. Okay, so I accidentally clicked this play button and it played that little tune for us. So let's get back to this. Sorry about that. So if someone's looking for a service now, most likely what they're going to do is type in into Google what they're looking for. So best builders, Austin, Texas, we'll try that one. And then you see that these businesses right here are popping up at the top in the Google My Business local map pack. So a lot of people see these as the very best businesses to call in the area, and they might be very good, but the reason that they're ranked at the top is because they have the most citations, which is anywhere online where their business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Research Giant, just to name a few. So again, we tell our clients to use the same strategy that we use with backlinks. You want to go in and list yourself in whatever directories these businesses are listed in, and then add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. So what will happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack and ranking at the top, and the top spot gets a lot of traffic to their website and a lot of calls. So it's a really coveted and great place to be. So here is my website. Let me show you. And this is my company, Lobo Leads. This is my phone number. If you have any questions over anything we went over, I'm happy to help with those. And I hope to hear back from you soon. Thanks.